In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary admin in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're transitioning roles within your company or simply updating account information, knowing how to adjust the primary admin settings is crucial for maintaining smooth operations within QuickBooks. So let's get started. First things first, navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. This is your starting point for any administrative changes you need to make, including changing the primary admin. Make sure you're signed in to your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and complete that step now so we can proceed smoothly to the next step. Once you're signed in, we need to access the settings. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can visit a specific URL if you have one, but typically you'll find the settings option on your dashboard. Look for an icon that resembles a gear. It's often used as the symbol for settings in QuickBooks. Keep in mind, this might vary slightly depending on the version you're using, so take a moment to locate it. Upon entering the settings, navigate to the section titled Manage Users. This is where you'll handle all things related to user management. In this crucial area, you can add new users, remove existing ones, or alter the roles of anyone who has access to your QuickBooks account. Since these tools empower you to configure user access precisely, it's important to ensure you're in the right place before proceeding. Within Manage Users, you'll notice a tab or section labeled Accounting Firms. Click on this. QuickBooks often categorizes users in such a way to make management easier. The Accounting Firms section is typically where you'll find any external accountants or advisors who've been granted access to your account. Now, your task is to find the Delete dropdown. I know the terminology might seem a bit misleading because we're not actually going to delete anyone, but stick with me, as this is the path to making the change. In this drop-down menu, you'll find an option titled Make Primary Admin. This is an important step. Click on this option. What you're doing here is identifying which user you want to elevate to the primary admin role. It's a simple yet powerful change and can redefine how users interact with your QuickBooks account. After selecting Make Primary Admin, you'll be prompted to confirm the change. Look for the Change Primary Admin button and click on it. This action initiates the process to officially change the primary admin in your QuickBooks account. It's a significant step that will need your confirmation since it impacts how your account is accessed and controlled. Congratulations! You've now successfully navigated through the process of changing the primary admin in QuickBooks. It's a straightforward procedure, but one that holds a lot of weight in terms of account security and management. Before we finish, let's go over a few final pointers. Always double-check that you're selecting the correct user to be the new primary admin. This change carries significant responsibilities, so it's crucial that the chosen individual is willing and able to handle the role. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to changing the primary admin in QuickBooks. This change can help streamline operations, ensure the right individuals have the correct level of access, and potentially tighten security by keeping your account under the supervision of the most appropriate person. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're an aspiring accountant or a business owner keen on keeping your financials in check, knowing how to manage user roles in QuickBooks is an invaluable skill. Until next time, keep navigating those financial waters with ease and proficiency.